Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Bagoong Alamang, a flavorful Filipino condiment. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of Bagoong Alamang, 1/4 cup of cooking oil, and half a cup of sugar. Also, prepare some minced garlic, chopped onion, and if you like a little kick, some chili peppers. Before cooking, rinse the Bagoong Alamang under cold, running water to lessen its saltiness, then drain it thoroughly. Now, let's begin the cooking process. Heat about 3 tablespoons of cooking oil in a wide pan over medium heat. Once the oil is warm, add your minced garlic and sauté it until it becomes fragrant and turns a lovely golden brown. Next, add the chopped onions to the pan and continue to cook for approximately 1 minute, allowing them to soften slightly. To enhance the flavor, add about half a cup of sugar to the pan, stirring until it dissolves and begins to lightly brown. Then, introduce the rinsed Bagoong Alamang, cooking it for 3 to 5 minutes while stirring regularly until its color deepens. Next, pour in 1 tablespoon of vinegar and your optional chili peppers. Let this mixture simmer on low heat for 5 to 10 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. For a slightly thicker consistency, you can create a slurry by combining 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of water. Stir this into your Bagoong Alamang and continue cooking until it thickens to your desired texture. Once done, turn off the heat. Your delicious homemade Bagoong Alamang is now ready to be enjoyed as a flavorful condiment with fresh green mangoes or as a savory side dish with your favorite meals. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.